Want to add categories and tags to your WordPress pages without a single line of code? You've come to the right place. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to unlock the same organizational superpowers for your pages as you already have for your posts, making your site easier to manage and much friendlier for both your visitors and search engines. Let's dive right in. The fastest, easiest way to do this is what's called the no-code method. Instead of tinkering with your theme files or custom code, which can easily get confusing or even risky, we're simply going to use a plugin to add these features for you. It's quick, safe, and absolutely beginner-friendly. Alright, step 1 is to install a plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and on the left menu you'll see Plugins. Click on that, then select Add New. Now in the search bar, just type in something like Pages with Category and Tag or TaxoPress. Both are popular plugins that do exactly what we want here. For example, you'll probably spot Pages with Category and Tag right at the top of the results. If you're a fan of robust tools, TaxoPress is also a great choice. It's well-maintained and widely trusted by the WordPress community. Once you find the plugin you want, click the Install Now button next to it, then just a moment for WordPress to do its thing and hit Activate. And that's it, there's no complicated setup. These plugins are designed to kick in right away. You won't have to wade through a maze of options to get things working. If you're worried about messing up your site, rest assured, this change is reversible, quick, and doesn't affect your content. Next, let's check out what's changed. We'll go to Pages in your dashboard, just click All Pages. Go ahead and edit any page you like or create a new one to test this out. Now take a look at the sidebar on the right. You'll notice something new, the familiar categories and tags boxes you've probably seen when editing a blog post. If you've ever wished you could group, filter, or organize your pages just like your posts, this is the magic moment. You can add your page to an existing category, create a new one right on the spot, or enter tags to identify important topics or themes. Categories are perfect for broad organization. Think of them like chapters in a book, letting users jump straight to the section they want. Tags, on the other hand, are more like sticky notes pinpointing specific topics. For example, if you run a site for a local bakery, you might create categories for cakes, pastries, and events, while tags could include gluten-free, seasonal menu, or specials. This not only makes it easier for you to manage a growing number of pages, but also helps visitors and search engines find relevant content fast. And that's all there is to it. You've just enabled categories and tags on your WordPress pages without touching a single line of code. Remember, this can really help both your workflow and your site's navigability, especially as your site grows. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into an issue, drop a comment below. I read every single one and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more fast, friendly WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.